Hi everyone. Hi everyone. I love you, Grandma. I love you, Daddy. I love you over there. I love you, Grandma. Ow. Stay piggy. I told. Ah! Took the big of a bird joy. I'm more Darth Vader than that. Why these two Darth Vader stay up these? No, don't fall. Now radio the bird. What? What the frickin' say? Say. You're gonna get beat up. Double pig killing! I killed pig right there in front of Angry Bird Dollar. Even pig not put behind my side. I did not hit the thing right there. Got the sip egg right here to set the weight if I walk my birds. I'm gonna set them up. R2D2 egg and egg. Sip egg. It's a robot egg actually make that sick come and blow up the pig up. So my mouse is messing up. Oh, why? Well, why Han Solo over there? Han Solo, that was Han Solo. Ow! Hey, why is our finger? Wait, I did not. I was almost done. I was almost done hitting that pig. I should do the that was bit. Okay, Sita has a dancing at her right there. There was something back there. Don't want you to do those things. Why? I don't know what BC. Do you want OT? Oh, Obi-Wan Kenobi. That was his name, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Cool, I named it. I named him Obi-Wan Kenobi. Mama named it Obi Kenobi. Ow, I could drop him. You know what? Forget him. I don't need him. I don't want to lose him here. I want. Yeah, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 birds left. That means it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. There's not gonna be 5 anymore. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 left and 4, 2. But if there are 2, I will waste all my birds. I got 1, 2. This is 3, so I'm using 3 now. Oh, I just dropped the bird. Now I got 1 of them. Ow, hurt my leg. Am I bleeding blood? Nope. Oh, where is that? zero bird. Deceit. There, iceberg. He's doing the way like so like the baby iceberg will follow him. Now, these. Okay, set that down right here. Make it look down now. Now we're going to open these. So first let me move this here. So I got Obi-Wan Kenobi. Cute though. This set I call Pig set. Cute anyway. So I got two. Fire. Oh wait. Oh. So I'll put these two up right over here. See them? They're just sitting there chilling out. They're just sitting there chilling out. I'm gonna do this. I'll show you the other one. Now we're gonna make an Angry Bird Star Wars toys up here. That's right there. Now make it look that way. There you go. Now we're gonna open these two over here now. Here they are. Well, where are you? There they. Here it is, right there and there. This look like Star Wars. But anyway, Angry Birds Star Wars, that ain't easy. Anyway, I'll set the guy up. Dang it. Ah! Dang up! No, I'll put it here.
Let me see it for a second.
What? Why cut the string off of it? Can I cut up the string?
No, don't cut the string off of it.
Now I'll put him in here now. See, now he in there. He's cute. Oh, this is the Obi-Wan Kenobi. He's cute, but he does a bomber. He black. He bulge up. Now he not. He named the Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he actually go blue. I mean, this. Put the Daddy. Now he, now he in there, staying up. Now, okay. Now we're gonna put the guys in. See them in there? They're chilling out too. Not chilling out there. So make this hole. So they're chilling out over there. But first I want to show you my sip. The front. I built it on myself. Hey, bye. I love you, Grandma. You can make it carry up too. Yeah. It does look like a mailman sit as he delivers stuff. But we're gonna say this later for that being from Legos. The chilling out over there, so that means put it right there. Angry Birds Star Wars. Oh! Oh. Well, I need something to take them up. It's okay. Oh. Can I say tartar sauce? No! No! Never! Never! I never make it right. No. I need to do that, and then I go, whatever it is, I go do it. Find the E part to put there, so that's where I can put the sauce. That's the hair mommy clean brand door. Oh! Oh! God! Tartar sauce. I don't really like them when it actually does fall. Oh, they're hair in my mouth. Oh my God, alright. This is part 1. Look, Dada. This is part 1. And you have to use 3D birds. So be more careful on meat, Watson. I just have to on my meat. 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 Oh, I'm going close. Bun bird, bungee bird. That look like Bun Bob. It does look like Bun Bob. And look like the build. Angry Bird Star Wars ships. I'll put it right there.